Damn, that was close. Yeah, that could have been really, really bad. Well, g'day. My name's Stuart Chignall. Welcome to Chestnut Nag Tools in Japan. Today we have a cautionary tale. In the last video in this series, I left you where I just stood up the end frames of my new workshop, but they're not secured, and that's what I'm going about in this video, is to showing you how I did that. But also showing you how I didn't do the safest job of it. Now the frame on the left has been tied to the tree branch above it, and then I'm adding in these horizontal members to connect the bottoms of the two frames to secure them so they don't jump off the footings. Now there's a bunch of techniques I would normally have used to assemble this frame, get it up. I just can't because of the tree in the way, and so I've had to find other ways of doing things. And this is how I got the ridge beam up. Now the first attempt didn't work so well because the tree was in the way. So what I had to do was take it down and get the ridge beam end that was closest to the trunk up first, and then work on getting the other end up.
You know something?
What?
I love you.
Cool, stand back.
Where? Oh!
That missed you?
Just got my foot.
You okay?
Yeah? Don't you get yourself knocked down either. Oh! And what's your back? Do you want to get back?
Yeah, maybe.
You want peace?
I have an incredibly tolerant wife who I'm so grateful for, because she really puts up with a lot that I put her through. But anyway, I got the ridge pole up there, then spent some time reorganising a bunch of wood ready for the next stage. Put in a horizontal spar on that frame so that I could stand on it to lash the ridge pole to the frame, and that got me ready for the next stage. And that'll be in the next video, where you'll be seeing me really developing the frame and really starting to move on with this whole project. It's going to really start taking shape. A bunch of techniques I've been using to do this a little bit more safely, although that was the most dangerous bit. And techniques that I'm using to lift and hold these timbers in place where it's just me. So if you want to see that, stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss it. And I will see you in the comment section or in the next video. Catch you later. Bye-bye.